Hey guys, and welcome to another Puppet Productions unboxing video. And if you can hear the whirring, I'm having the fan on because it's kind of warm in here. Today I'm going to be diving back into the world of Kamen Rider with the Dragonic Knight Wonder Ride book. Now remember, the Wonder Ride book, when I did my Seiken Sword Driver review, was the one where it had the Brave Dragon on it. This one is Dragonic Knight. As you can see, there's the book there, and it's a lot bigger, and there's the Dragonic Knight himself. That's just a power-up mode for Saber, and that's what it's like when it's opened up. And we've got it on we've got the sides here and the back. So let's open the thing up and have a look. And there it is. Just nice and simple. And there is the Dragonic Knight Wonder Ride book. Now this is really big. It's certainly one of the biggest Wonder Ride books I've seen. I haven't seen many of them. I've only got 2 now. So we just pull the tab. And it turns out, and there's a button here, so just hold it up like this. Now let's open it up. Oh. There's actually more pages as well. So let's test it out. First, let's take this. Now then. It's actually coming from the box this time, not the sword. So there it is, opened up. Now that looks cool. That just looks really cool. Just a regular splash. Let's see what happens when I put it in like that. It's just like the regular thing. Now I think you don't have to tap the sword, you can just press this. Now let's try the other one. Brilliant. So all in all, it's going to be a pretty short video. So you just push these in like that. And so that's the Dragonic Knight Wonder Ride book. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys very soon.